Okay, what I'm going to do tonight is I got another wood match here I'm going to light with an arrow with my longbow. Pay attention to that match right there. I'll try to light it. I got a little surprise for you at the end. Well, how'd you like that little surprise I had? This is a tough shot to do. Light a match. I mean, I've seen it on Mythbusters. They tried to light a match with a bullet. They had the gun in a vise. It took them 9 shots. I did this in 6 shots. I mean, it's a very, very hard shot to do. So I wanted a little surprise everybody at the end. So I hope you enjoy that. Thanks for watching Dave's Amazing Arrow Shots.